We need more time.
Oh, hello there! Yay!
One cannon left. And here comes the parade.
You're demoted.
A weakness in my apprentice. Is that why you came?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
I see his every intent. Yes. I see him turning the lightsaber to strike true. And now one. Oh, true. And now, foolish child, he ignites it and kills his true enemy.
That's a lot of damage.
Hello there.
Yay!
That's a lot of damage. Listen up. I like these rust buckets, and I like our odds.
Quack, 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 quack.
Saving what we love.
Quack.
Hello there.
I want every gun we have to fire on that man.
Did I ever tell you the definition of insanity?